Tired of leads slipping through the cracks and feeling like your sales process is more of a messy scramble than a well-oiled machine? Then buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, we're diving into Follow Up Boss, the CRM designed to transform chaos into closed deals. At its heart, Follow Up Boss is all about lead management. It automatically pulls leads from all your sources, like Zillow, Realtor.com, and your website, organizing them in one centralized inbox. No more manually entering data or losing track of potential clients. Next up, sales automation. Imagine automatically sending personalized emails, scheduling follow-up calls, and assigning tasks to your team based on specific lead behaviors. Follow Up Boss lets you create these workflows, freeing up your time to focus on building relationships and closing deals. Collaboration is key, and Follow Up Boss makes it seamless. Share calendars, track communication history, and assign leads to specific agents, all within the platform. This ensures everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Finally, let's talk about reporting. Follow Up Boss provides powerful insights into your sales performance, tracking key metrics like lead conversion rates, team productivity, and revenue generated. This data helps you identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions to grow your business. So, if you're ready to streamline your sales process, improve customer engagement, and drive revenue growth, Follow Up Boss might just be the CRM you've been waiting for. Check out the link in the description below to learn more and start your free trial.